Well, the good news is all the villains have finally defeated by the heroes. But the bad news is the building is about to collapse!
Oh no.
This is not good.
We evacuate the building! Everyone, to the van!
Come on guys, let's get everyone out of here before the building is about to collapse more.
You got it.
Okay, that's everybody.
Wait, where's Ty?
He's over there.
Naomi! Naomi, where are you?
Ty, where are you going?
I gotta go find Naomi. The rest of you stay here.
Why not? Because my brother got the right stuff.
Naomi, where are you? Naomi, if you can hear me, sound of your voice.
Ty, is that you?
Gotcha!
Ty, you saved me.
I got you. Hold still.
Oh my goodness, we're so glad Ty and Naomi are safe. We thought we're going to lose them forever.
Ty, Naomi, where are you?
I'm over here!
Oh my gosh, your brother have finally made it back.
It sure is Owie.
Oh my goodness! I almost died out here.
You're crying.
No, it's not that. It's just that I have this.
Oh, you are so sweet.
Just for the record, Ty, you are very brave hero, and sort of everyone else.
Looks like we won the battle everyone. Our world is safe, and our enemies has finally defeated.